BMNR has been making recent headlines with its big moves. But is this former mining company a long-term hold or a high-risk gamble? In this video, I'm going to break down everything that you need to know about the company BitMine BMNR. This is the Apprentice Investor channel, where I research high potential or undervalued stocks to find out if they're a stable long-term investment. So if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, drop us a follow below. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. So we can now have a look into the background of the company. BitMine Immersion Technologies, or better known as BMNR, is a publicly traded company that operates in the cryptocurrency and blockchain space. They went public on the 5th of June 2025 and is one of the most highly regarded and traded stocks worldwide. They have a market cap of just under $10 billion, and they are the largest publicly traded holder of Ethereum with 2.4 million Ethereum tokens. The original focus was on Bitcoin mining, but in mid-2025 they made a major shift towards becoming an Ethereum treasury. This is what sparked the major growth, and the big increase in share price and recognition came from this. Because of this change, significant interest came from billionaire Peter Thiel, who acquired a big stake in the company, which is co-chaired by the super investor that we all know, Tom Lee. So you might be thinking, what does a company like BMNR actually do? They originally began as a mining company, with a unique selling point being the immersion cooling technology, which they claim make the mining operation more efficient, sustainable and profitable. But we all know BMNR for its big 600% increase, and this was due to the strategic change to becoming an Ethereum treasury. BMNR has taken a similar approach to Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy, but the focus being on Ethereum. The business model, backed by Tom Lee, is simple. It begins with a capital raising through public markets, then they acquire the crypto, in this case it will be Ethereum, and finally the end product, a stock that becomes a proxy for its crypto holdings, allowing investors to gain the exposure of crypto without directly owning the tokens themselves. So having a look at the case study below, as you can see, what MicroStrategy does is if there's an 11% increase in Bitcoin, they've been able to achieve a 30% return. This is the same what BMNR is doing. If Ethereum increases by 1.5%, BMNR can increase 9.5%. This is how powerful and strong treasuries can be, but it comes at the cost of volatility. So having a look into some of the financials behind the company, the share price of BMNR is at around $55. But as it is a mining treasury, the volatility is expected. But the key part of this company is the underlying fundamentals. This is what is key. The growth of the company seems very positive. The company currently owns 2.4 million Ethereum at an average price of about $4,497 per ETH. They have reached 2% of the 5% goal, and once they hit this, they're going to begin staking. They are the 24th most traded stock daily and have over 11 billion in cash, Ethereum and investments. As their core business is centered around Ethereum, the volatility of this cryptocurrency can be very effective of the share price, but Tom Lee has very bullish views, not on just BMNR but on Ethereum, saying that it can reach 100x of current levels. This means the future of BMNR seems very positive, with estimates being 100 plus by the end of the year. If they're able to continue acquiring Ethereum and growing the portfolio, I can see this happening. So in conclusion, BitMine, BMNR, is the latest and most highly regarded crypto treasury, similar to MicroStrategy's business model. The growth, the potential and publicity has influenced the recent growth since IPO. The future of the company seems very bright, being backed by billionaires like Peter Thiel, Tom Lee and Cathie Wood. If they are able to continue increasing the Ethereum size and allocation, then begin stakeholding, I can see the growth being constant, 100 plus by the end of the year, and as we keep growing, it will start hitting those bigger price targets. So thank you for watching the video. Remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment below, as it really helps out the channel. I'm documenting my whole investing journey as a student apprentice here on YouTube, and if you want more videos like this, just let me know. Thank you for watching.